Hello guys and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. This video is for the weekly horoscope of February 24 to March 2 para po sa may Sun, Moon, and Rising sign na Aries. And if you're new sa channel, please click the subscribe button, bell notification, and like this video. Kung hindi nyo po alam yung Sun, Moon, at Rising signs nyo po kasi importante to, sa dulo po ng ating video, may link tayo para dito. At andun din po na these readings are for guidance purposes, Aries, so use your free will wisely. And also, we have our extended readings. Mas malalim po yung mga readings doon. Para magkaroon kayo ng access at there will be also additional benefits, i-click nyo lang po yung join button sa baba. Private readings and spell works, message us in our Facebook page. Link is in the description. Our admins will help you. And for those who gusto magbigay ng donation, pwede nyo pong gamitin yung thanks button sa baba. Yung heart na, yung heart po. Ayun. Okay, so Aries, how are you, my dear? So we have here the Page of Pentacles and Chaos and Conflict. Ayun na nga. Minsan, alam mo parang, although you have the raw energy, kasi at the same time, ikaw din yung simula ng ating zodiac wheel. That's why I said, personally, I celebrate din naman yung New Year ng zodiac, which is ikaw mag-usher nun. There's a lot of responsibilities na sa iyo. And right now, ganun din yung pakaramdam mo. Yung tipong you're just containing, kinocontain mo na lang yung beast within you. Kinocontain mo na lang yung mga bagay-bagay deep inside you. Kasi, andoon na yung kailangan mag-step up. Kailangan mo na ikaw yung humarap, ikaw yung gumalaw. Kasi nga, ayun nga, sorry sa term, susyunga-syunga yung mga sa paligid mo and hindi nila magawa na maayos. In-explain mo na nga siya na parang mag-gets na nga ng isang grade 1 student, pero hindi na mag-gets. Hindi ko rin alam bakit. Hindi ko alam kung hindi nila maintindihan o worse, ayaw nila intindihan. So, andoon na yung the Saturn energy is really in your, nasa sayo ngayon, this week, na you need to make sure na, andoon na, you are doing a lot of, the responsibilities is being given to you, andoon na, parang umabot ka sa point na ayaw ka na mag-utos, ayaw ka na humingi ng pabor. Napapagod lang, lalo na ako napapagod. Imbes na, feeling mo nasasayang yung oras mo na, in-explain mo ganito yung gagawin, in-explain mo ito yung kailangan mangyari, pero ending, di ba nga, kung ikaw pa rin yung gagawa, so parang mas napagod ka lang kasi nga, nagsalita ka, tapos you took the time, nasa yung oras mo, explaining what needs to be done. Nakapagod. I get you. So, andoon na, Saturn is really, the responsibilities are really piling up. So, minsan talaga mas maganda nga ikaw na lang gagawa eh. So, nag-agree ako sa'yo sa part na yun. And masakit lang talaga sila sa bangs. So, what's crossing you? We have here the Knight of Pentacles and round and round. Alam mo, mag-agree din ako sa'yo. Parang gusto mo na lang minsan na sa tinatanong mo, asa na nga ba yung Diyos ano ba ginagawa ng Diyos nung ginawa ka? Bakit ganyan ka na klase ng tao? Hindi mo magets. Nakakatawa pa sa mga tao na you're dealing with these people. Ang nakakatawa pa sa kanila is that mga pa-victim. Feeling naman, pa-victim sila, feeling nila sila yung kawawa, sila yung nasaktan, sila yung agrabyado. Talaga ba? Alam mo, parang talaga ba? Yung gusto mo itanong, parang gusto mo tanongin din, gusto mo na yung tanongin sila, nasa ng Diyos, nung ginawa ka, bakit ganyan ka mag-isip? So, andoon na you want to break free from these people. You want to break free from the responsibility na technically, hindi mo naman talaga responsibility. You did those things out of courtesy, you did it out of love, out of respect. Alam mo yun, pero nakakainis, hindi nila pinagyaman. Hindi nila na-appreciate. Tapos parang alam mo parang labas pa. Kulang yung ginagawa mo. Parang dapat mo gawin. Parang, ay, talaga ba? So, parang, dapat parang rights nila yung ginagawa mo, which is you're just doing it out of love, out of respect. No. This is something that needs to stop, sabi ng cards. Now, kaya nga yung round and round gusto mag-breakout ka na talaga dito Now, here in yung discard card mo, we have here is the High Priestess and no place like home. Well, that's why I'm seeing here sa cards na there's a lot of you guys na discard nyo talaga minsan gusto nyo lang magstay literal sa bahay. Nakaka-stress kasi na kahit ako din siguro na parang pag siguro sa work din na parang gusto mo nang bitawan parang oh my gosh, I need a breather, parang ganoon yung dating na gusto mo na lang talaga magstay muna sa bahay, maybe with your pets or andoon sa kwarto na nakahiga sa kama tapos nakabalot ka ng blanket or kumot mo while maybe watching a movie or whatnot or playing games. Ayun yung energy mo na. Ayun yung isa sa mga desire mo na parang gusto mo muna mag-break away from the responsibilities. Well, maybe a short vacation can help you. Yun sa mga hinahanap nyo din. Maybe a quick walk in the park para parang refresher lang din. When I was working in BGC, kapag stressful talaga yung work, I see to it na yung lunch break ko. Mas malapit doon kami sa may W5 building ba? W5. So, mamadaling ko talaga kumain ng lunch break ko. Sa BPO ako nun, nag-work. Gabi. And lunch break ko. Pag natapos ako mag-lunch break, tatakbo ako nun papunta sa High Street. Kasi ang daming yung tinatawag ng Cats of BGC. Tapos upo ko doon, magtawag ako ng pusa, lapet, pet. So, just a way for me to distress. So, may kipag-play muna ako doon sa mga cats. Yun yung way ko nun, to be at home. Para laban ulit afterwards. So, shout out sa mga pusa dyan. Ang laking blessings kayo. So, your foundation here is the 8 of Swords and Higher Power. Yun lang. Ang dami sa inyo na parang you lost or andoon na you're doing it all alone. Yung mga responsibilities nyo. May nalimutan kang isang bagay na you're never really alone in this journey. Kasi although physically, sabihin natin, mag-isa ka, physically, yung kakampi mo is wala na, or andoon na inabandon na ka, or talagang kailangan na nang maumalis, because maybe the purpose of the person is tapos na sa mundo, or tapos na sa life mo, andoon na siya sabi ng universe, you still have me. You have the universe. The higher power is advising you. You're never alone. In the story of, hindi ko alam kung sa 2 Kings yata yun. The story of Elijah and Elisha. Elijah is the prophet, and Elijah was the trainee, mini-mentor ni Elijah. When the king of Moab, or Assyria, hindi ko alam kung anong kingdom, na aatakihin sila sa maraming mga chariots. Si Elisha, takot na takot siya. Pero si Elijah, kalma lang siya. Tapos, kinakabahan na si Elisha. Then, Elijah prayed. God, sabi niya, God, can you please open the eyes of Elisha para makita niya yung totoo? Then, ginant ni God yung prayer ni Elijah. Binukas ni God yung mata ni Elisha in the spiritual. At nakita niya yung hordes at dami-dami ng angels na nakapalibot sa kanila, ready to fight para sa kanila. Same thing with you. Hindi mo man nakikita in the physical, but spiritually, you are not alone. Fight. Hingi ka ng tulong sa mga kakampi mo. Now, in the past, we have here the 4 of Pentacles, tsaka yung Poised. Ayun nga. Nakakatuwa din, no? A lot of you guys, in the past, hindi kayo, alam mo, paano ba yung term? Basta malinis, basta walang nilalabag na batas at pwede pagkakitaan, why not? tutuloy natin yan. Andoon na talagang, you break boundaries for that one day. Andoon na, wala kayong pakisabihin madudumihan kayo. As long as what you're doing is right, wala kang sinasaktan na tao, hindi ka nasasaktan, walang batas na nalalabag, at it is clean money, wala kayong problema doon. Kumbaga, as far as I'm seeing here, wala kang arte talaga. Andoon yung punto na, sige lang, gawin natin yan. Yung mga tipong, ito pa yung may iba sa inyo ugali, na tipong, uy, ano bang gagawin, ganyan-ganyan? Ikaw naman, ba yun, natuturuan. Ako na nga. Tabi, ako na. Sige, ano nga kailangan gawin yan? O, sige. Kumbaga, andoon yung innate leadership nyo. Andoon na, sineset nyo into position na yung mga bagay-bagay. And, wapakils ka, kung may mga mag-iinarte. Ano ba yun, ang yabang-yabang naman ni Aris? Because at the end of the day, andoon na may kailangan kayong ma-accomplish. At ginagawa mo lang yun so that yung time is ma-preserve, ma-save yung time at magkaroon ng mga developments and movements. Minsan dami talagang balat, sibuyas lang. Siguro yung feeling ko yun yung mga tao na walang ambag lang talaga. What you think? Mahadong balat sibuyas tapos drama-drama then pa si pa-victim. Dami sa paligid mo niya. Nakakaloka. Now, the possible future we have for you, na ikaw, is a 3 of Cups and message in a battle. So, ito na nga. So, there will be some news na paparating. Kailan? We'll check it later sa extended reading. There will be some good news na paparating. Basta within the first, first half of the month. Pero check ko mamaya sa cards pa kung anong specific month to. And those good news will actually be, yun yung parang good karma na parating sa'yo. Kumbaga nakita ng universe, you've been responsible enough, you've been good enough, talagang ginawa mo yung kailangan mong gawin, then it's time for you to receive some good news. It's time for you to receive something in return or recognition. At ito yan. Yung marireceive mo to, hindi pa to yung total reward. It's just, sasabihin natin, recognition pa lang yan. Kumbaga sa work, it's just, ano pa lang yan. Yung kumbaga pinapalakpakan ka pa lang. Wala pa yung cash prize. So, wait pa natin ng bigger reward. It's just the tip of the iceberg na paparating para sa'yo. All because you're letting your Saturn energy flow properly. Kung nakaresonate ka sa readings natin, remember we have our extended readings. Para mag-access yun po, i-click nyo lang po yung join button sa baba and there will also be additional perks in the process. Tingnan natin kung ano yung physical environment mo. We have here the 3 of Swords and go the distance. Okay, so take it as a sign sa iba sa inyo. You are on the right track. You are in the right place right now. You are doing, the things that you're doing is rightfully correct. Okay? Andun kasi na, minsan kasi na, pag may binigay sa ating responsibility universe, sometimes you feel it's a cycle. Okay lang, tuloy lang. Kasi, just like a plant na tinanim natin, papatubuin pa natin yung ugat niyan Di ba? Yung buto, kailangan niyang magpaugat muna bago siya umusbong. Kailangan niya mag-gather muna ng tubig, ng minerals, ng nutrients mula sa lupa. So, at the surface level, doon na parang walang nangyayari, parang wala ka na-achieve. But on a deeper sense, maybe in the spiritual sense or in emotions or whatnot, may ganap talaga, may nangyayari. And andoon na hindi mo man nakikita yung evidence ngayon, but it will be shown eventually. At remember, sa paglalim ng ugat, it's very important yun sa halaman para para kung pag naging puno sila, pag mas malaki sila, hindi sila madalis mabuwal ng hangin kasi malalim yung kapit ng ugat nila sa lupa na kung saan sila itinanim. Diba? Now, your emotional environment, we have here the world and the soulmate. Well, okay lang naman yan. For those who felt that you've lost people in your life, may it be lost in the sense na nasira na yung relationship or physically nawala na sila sa mundong ibabaw, that's okay. You can feel na masaktan ka, malungkot. That is normal. Okay siya. Walang problema doon. Kasi you have your emotions. But sasabi dito ng cards, your world should not stop. kung ikaw yung sa'yo yung sabi natin na wala sa'yo is someone who is special, wala na siya sa mundong ibabaw, you celebrate the person's life by living kung ano man yung naibigay sa yung payo, wisdom ng tao, gamitin mo yon sa pang-araw-araw mo. That in that way, you are able to live, yung legacy iniwan niya sa'yo, through you, is mabubuhay. Kumbaga, yun yung way na gamitin natin para ma-honor natin yung mga tao, yung taong yon. Now, if this is a relationship na nawala, it's okay. Keep in mind that that the universe allowed people to cross into our lives to teach us something. Maybe tapos na yung purpose. Andoon lang na talagang all or nothing ka rin ka naman kasi. Maybe andoon na you just love, and unfortunately, due to certain things, ganun yung nangyari. The universe needed you guys to part ways for you to be able to grow. Kasi parang sa halaman, para lumago kayong dalawa, kailangan mag-ipaglayo nila yung halaman para hindi sila nag-aagawan ng nutrients sa ugat or nagbabanggaan yung ugat nila. Di ba? Your physical and your hopes and fears, Aries, we have here is a 3 of Wands and clean it up. Ayun na nga. 2 things. Gusto mo talagang lumabas muna. Gusto mo muna mag-unwind. Gusto mo nang to explore. You want to breathe. Pero, ito na nga. Just like your Saturn energy is showing, paano yung mga responsibilities na may iwan ko? Paano yung mga gawain? Sinong gagawa? Sinong aasikaso? Sinong ayun yung mga, kumbaga, naghahanap ka na pwede maging katuwang. Well, if that's what you're hoping for, and the universe will provide it naman. And doon lang din kasi na it's not yet time. Magbibigay naman ng chance ang universe. This is a cycle na papayagan ng universe. And once na-reach mo naman yung cycle na kailangan, pag umabot na yung tapos na yung cycle na to, then you will have that, sabi ko kasi, di ba? Yung kumbaga doon sa ikaw, yung evolution mo, applause pa lang yung parating. Wala pa yung ibang mga prizes na ibibigay. The possible future we have here is the 4 of Wands, tsaka exchanging gifts. Ay, talaga ba? Love comes, sabi nga, love comes in different forms. Love comes in different ways. Sometimes akala natin, yung ina-admire natin, yung desire natin, is already good, pero sometimes through them, doon pa natin mahanap pa someone who is better, someone who is stronger, wiser, someone who we can be more responsible. So don't close your emotions, Aries, sa mga pinapadalang tao sa'yo ng universe. Now, if it's a mentor, then meron pang ipapadala. If it's a possible partner, then there will be a better one na parating. And andun lang kasi na masyadong sanay ka lang doon sa mga dating tao in your life. And para feeling mo na wala ka na mahanap na ganon. Actually, oo. Kasi wala ka talaga mahanap. Kasi each one of us are uniquely created. But the one na ipapadadaan sa life mo, this person is better than the last one. So I hope nakatulong yung readings. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Kung bago kayo, subscribe, like, and share. May cards na tayo para sa iyong extended readings. If you want to know more about yung ibang details about this reading, i-click mo yung join button sa baba to gain access to our exclusive videos. Private readings and spell works, message na po kayo sa amin sa ating Facebook page. The link is in the description below. Our admins will help you. And donations can be sent using the thanks button, yung heart sa baba. So, Aries, maraming salamat. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be. And hope to see you soon from dito po sa Baguio and Dominican Hill. Have a great day. Kita po tayo sa extended readings.